Good morning, dear students. Today we will start the part 2 of our first chapter, number system. Dear student, in the previous video we have shown the conversion of decimal number to binary number. Now we will see the conversion of binary number to decimal number. There are some steps to perform the conversion. First step is multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of power of 2, starting from the rightmost digit. Increase the power one by one, keeping the base fixed as 2. Calculate the sum of all products to get the decimal number. Let us see an example. We have a binary number 1010, so we will start the conversion of this binary number to decimal number. So we will start from the right digit, that is 0. 0 multiply with base 2 whose power is 0 plus 1 multiply by base 2 whose power is 1 plus 0 multiply by 2 whose power is 2 plus 1 multiply by 2 whose power is 3. As you can see, the power of 2 is increasing 1 by 1. Now on solving equation, 1 multiply by 8 plus 0 multiply 4 plus 1 multiply by 2 plus 0 multiply by 1 will give 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 equals to 10. So the binary number 1010 equals to the decimal number 10. The next is octal number system. Octal means 8. The octal number system consists of 8 digits from 0 to 7 with the base 8. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal conversion. The only difference is the change of base. We have an example. We have an octal number 172. We will convert this octal number to the decimal number. So we will start from the right digit, that is 2. So 2 multiply by base 8 whose power is 0. 7 multiply by base 8 whose power is 1 plus 1 multiply by base 8 whose power is 2. It will give 256 64. After adding these number we will get 122. So the octal number 172 equals to the decimal number 122. Next is hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 16. This number system consists of 16 digits, numbers 0 to 9 and the letters A to F. Represent decimal numbers from 10 to 15. That means A is equivalent to 10, B is equivalent to 11, C refers to 12 and so on. The base of this number is 16. The conversion of hexadecimal to decimal is similar to binary to decimal conversion. The only difference is the change of base. Let us see an example. We have a hexadecimal number, that is 3b. We want to convert this hexadecimal number to decimal number. So we will start from the right digit, that is b, and b refers to 11. So we will multiply 11 to the base 16 whose power is 0 plus 3 multiply base 16 whose power is 1. Now 48 plus 11 equals to 59. Thus hexadecimal number 3b equals to the decimal number 59. Computer arithmetic. As a computer understands only the binary code, so the data entered into the computer by the user is converted into binary code for processing. This processing may involve various kinds of arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, etc. on the binary numbers. First, we see binary addition. The technique used to add binary numbers inside the computer is very easy and simple. This is performed in the same way as you perform addition with decimal numbers. The following table illustrates the addition of two binary digits. We have three variables A, B and C. The variable C is holding the result of A and B addition. We have the binary numbers for B variable and binary numbers for A variable. Now we will add these binary numbers. A plus B equals to C means number of A plus number of B. So 0 plus 0 equals to 0, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 0 equals to 1 and 1 plus 1 equals to 1, 0. Note students, in the binary addition 1 plus 1 equals to 1, 0, but in decimal number system you have seen that 1 plus 1 equals to 2. But in binary addition 1 plus 1 equals to 1, 0. Binary subtraction. The rules given in the table must be followed to perform binary subtraction. The number is borrowed when 1 is subtracted from 0. We have three variables A, B and C. C is holding the result of A minus B. We have binary numbers for A and B variable. So 0 minus 0 equals to 0, 1 minus 0 equals to 1, 1 minus 1 equals to 0 and 0 minus equals to 1, because when 1 is subtracted from 0 the number is borrowed. Binary multiplication. The rules for multiplication using binary numbers is same as that of the decimal numbers. The given table illustrates the multiplication of two binary digits. Similarly, we have three variables A, B and C. The C variable is holding the multiplication of A and B variable. We have binary numbers for A and B variable. When we see the result, 0 multiplied by 0 equals to 0, 0 multiplied by 1 equals to 0, 1 multiplied by 0 equals to 0 and 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1. Binary division. In the same way, you can perform the binary division. The method to perform division of two binary numbers is same as that of decimal numbers. See the example given below. As you can see in the example, the binary division is same as that of decimal numbers.